Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 hour to make the best game ever. Good, so last session we did look into AIGroup, why it would cause mismatching with a retail client. I don't know. I added a message box for debugging. Let's see what that says. If we run that. Oh, I started full screen by mistake. Oof. Oof. Which was a big mistake. Good, so let's try it again. Good. Group list is empty. That's fine. Then we open a replay. Yeah. This one here. Okay, so basically you want to finish this replay and then we'd like to see the message box, what it says. If it says that the AI group list is not empty, then that means there was leakage of AI group somewhere, which would then explain issues. Yeah. Yeah. Oof. Performance very, very slow. Oof. Man, so laggy. What happens if we scroll to the corner? Maybe that's fine. It looks like the human player is getting overrun there by the AIs. Aha. The match has ended. Group list is not empty. Aha. Okay. I think that that looks conclusive. Let me take a screenshot of that. Take a This is group lists. Or maybe we just take a screenshot like so. Yeah, a small one. AIGroup. Okay, AIGroup. I added a debug, I added a pop-up debug for a group list. And it shows to be not empty on game, on match exit, on replay exits. Now we need to verify group list is not empty. Can we open Visual Studio, the old one, and we attach the process, generals, and we step to this code. If it can show us the source. Here. Okay. So if we put a breakpoint here, group list, we cannot inspect it. Because of STL port, it doesn't know what it is. Yeah, but we can click on OK, and we step in here, and we take a look. We can't take a look. That's too bad. Oof. Okay, maybe it just helps to see how many there are actually. Yeah, just see. I mean, it doesn't tell us. Just look into it anyway. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oof, well, that's quite a lot. Okay, so it's a big number of AI groups. Yeah, yeah. I wonder if this also contributes to slowness. I really would like to know how much are in there. Let me put a ASCII string message message dot formats. Let me say group list is not empty. Percent Z. We say this dot size. str. Okay. Let me stop debugging. Then let's quit. Let's build again. Yeah. Okay. So let's say there are like hundreds of AI groups left over. It could cause some stalling, right? Because it needs to CRC these guys. Like what happens with the group list? Oh, this one won't compile, doesn't it? Has no member format. Oops. What is the function name then? Oh, formats, lowercase. Let's try it again. And we won't be able to fix those leaks. Yeah. Huh. I see. Okay, but if it's leaking, then I have an idea what we can do. We can purposefully release. Oof. Let's think about this. Release. Jeez. That's. If it's empty. If it's empty, then we release. Yeah, that we can do. I don't know if it's exactly that issue. I have an idea. Where this comes from. Okay, I would like to see how many, what uses this, what iterates this group list. Okay, so here we have a find. Okay, that's, oh, that's expensive actually. That's expensive, yeah. This function is expensive. This function is this also expensive. It needs to iterate over all these guys. Yeah. 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 Okay, let's run this replay again. Yeah. And we would like to see how many leaks there actually are. Because if these go into hundreds, then I think it's actually a performance concern. Very likely. This will make frame times much longer. I think so. Yeah, because it needs to keep iterating this shit. Every frame. So this one is every frame, and deleting a group is also expensive because it starts iterating from the beginning. Yeah. There's another loop. Ah, that's this loop. That's just on shutdown. That's fine. Yeah. Good. Then, oops. Loads. Load replay. Load replay. Okay. Good. Then we have fast forward this and let it play. Okay, that's very interesting. It looks like there's more fundamental issue with AIGroup handling and that issue. I was only testing with 2 objects in the group before, but with 3 plus, it shows up that the member list is being annihilated and recreated with 1 object. I recommend to test this after AIGroup fix. AIGroup reference counting fix. Let's say after this one, after I'm testing with a map that has intro readme and it keeps the mouse hidden and ignores keyboard input. Oh. 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 That would need fixing, yes. The unpause relies on having a way to input. Okay, so there's 33 in there. Okay, it's not that much. But this mesh also wasn't that long, so it could accumulate more and more. Yeah, 33 is not the end of the world, but let's say this was 500, 1000, it would become slower and slower and slower. Okay, let me take a new screenshot of this. Okay. I did the debug for group lists on the debug for group lists. Debug to check group lists emptiness on replay exits, and it shows to be not empty. This means AIGroups are leaking in the simulation. This also means that without this also means that these leaks are a performance concern. 33 are probably not yet that bad, but on longer matches this looks like it could probably reach 500s, 1000s, and then this would become, this likely becomes slow because these are in a STD list. These are in a STD list and iterated every frame, potentially multiple times. So what was it? It was this one, this one and this one. Not empty, which explains the mismatch, because this fix implicitly also not empty. Which means AIGroups are leaking in the simulation. This explains the mismatch because this fix implicitly also fixes the leaks. Fixes all leaks. This also means that this is a performance concern. 73 AIGroups are probably not yet that bad, but on longer matches this looks like it could maybe reach 500s, 1000s, dot dot 1000, and then this likely becomes slow because these are in a STD list and iterated every frame potentially multiple times via the scroll group and AI CSC. Yeah, so this one is every frame, maybe. CSC is, I think that's every frame. Well, I'm not sure. Every frame, or every 100 frames. I don't know. Is that called every frame or not? The CSC. Oh, I may put a breakpoint now. Ah, well, we are not attached. I put a breakpoint here, debug, attach, generals. Okay, it's called every 100 frames. Okay, so it's not that bad. Yeah, okay, every 100 frames. That this could be a performance concern. Called every 100 frames, called every time a group is deleted. This means this could be a performance concern. 73 AI groups are probably not yet that bad, but on long images, this looks like it could maybe reach 500, 1000, and then this likely becomes slower because these are in an SCD list and iterated every frame, potentially multiple times, potentially multiple times a frame. Via that code every time a group is deleted. Because this change here implicitly also fixes all leaking AI groups. Yeah. Oh, I didn't mean to attach two images. There we go. Okay, then that means I will also add a performance label here because it's also a performance concern. Okay, so so what I think we need to do, let me search for create group, and so basically this here. So some places are leaking. My suspicion is it could be places like this where if the team is empty, then the group is created here, but it won't be cleaned up, right? Because this one is not checking. So we would need to say if retail compatible CSC, and if then we would need to say the group if the group is empty, if it is empty, then we would release the group. We would let it leak. How do we do that? Release. There should be a release function here somewhere. Hold on. Ah, we are still on the... Okay, never mind. Never mind. Let me revert all the changes here. Let's go back to here. Let's stash this change. Okay. Then we go back to AI group here. We check that out. Boom. Done. There we go. Okay. So and then we take this guy and then we put that in here. And then we say if the group is empty, then dot release. There we go. And release means we just release a memory. Well, we don't release it. We release the ownership. Release ownership. That's it. And then it will leak here. Yeah. And that is probably what we want. Okay, so we need to add this now to all the places here. Oof. 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 Yeah. Okay. And yeah. Maybe should I have like a helper function for this? Yeah, maybe we should do we go to the top and we add a inline delete inline void delete group. Delete. Well, let's say let's call it I don't like that. Let's just keep on copying it for now. How about that? Yeah. I wonder if we should rename these two guys here to the group. Makes the code a bit easier to search, right? So if it is empty, then we leak. Yeah. Okay. If it is empty, we leak. Oof. I hope I put it correctly. Maybe we should make it a macro. We say if retake compatible CSC, define leak group. Leak the group. And then we pass here the group. Leak the group. Okay. And we say if the group, then that. Okay. Do it like this. Leak the group. And then we say here else leak the group. Do nothing. Let's call it a leak AI group. Leak AI group if empty. There we go. And then we, instead of doing this, we say this, the group. That makes it easier to compile out this shit, right? And it's easier to find. If the team. Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Okay. Where are we? Yeah. Okay. All right. Group. There we go. My gosh. Delete instance. I'm surprised that none of these functions at all is making sure that the group is deleted at the end. Yeah, but I blame that on the horrible design of the AI group to begin with. That they didn't consider this, because it's really, the way it's originally designed is really counterintuitive. I think the way with the reference counting makes it much easier to handle, avoids all sorts of errors. This is how they should have implemented it right from the get-go. They didn't. Yeah. I think oof. Does it go in here? No. Let's rename this to the group. The group. There we go. Okay. This one is, where is it showing as undefined? What is this? Oh, it's a different file. It's a different file. I think we should also do, we should say if the group and the group is empty, just to be sure. And then here we need to copy this shit to script engine. Maybe here we should keep AI group name. AI group, yeah, because it's a different file. That's fine. Okay. AI group. Get team as AI group. It's just this one here. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. I wonder, maybe we should put this macro somewhere else. Maybe this macro should go. Maybe it should go in AI group directly. The header. Yeah. AIGroup. I cannot switch to the header for some reason. Okay. AIGroup.h. Huh. It doesn't want to open the header for some reason. That's weird. Oh, because it's an AI.h. Oof. Okay. That's unexpected. So let's put it down here. Then in script actions, we remove it here from the top. Yeah. Okay. So AI.h. Okay, fair enough. Okay, do we have any other places where we need to leak that shit? Let's see. Here maybe. Yeah, definitely. Group. This one's commented out. This one is this one is also, we can just put it there anyway. The group. This one, the group. This one also needs leaking. Yeah. Okay, what else needs leaking? Let's see. The group. This one, okay, we need to check this. Group, remove all. No, if emptied, remove all. Not emptied, clean up the group. Yeah, group, remove all. Let me see that. So previously we did call destroy group there. Okay. Wherever we call destroy group, we absolutely need to call remove all. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Currently selected group. Currently selected. So destroy group. Okay. Not emptied. Not emptied. Remove. Group remove. Emptied. No. Game logic. Let me look at this more closely. Game logic. Oh boy. Okay, so here destroy group, that's safe replacement. Let's look at this here. This one is a little bit more intricate. It says, if not deleted, then destroy groups. Not deleted, actually removed, not deleted, so I mean, but okay, but I think that means this one is definitely cleaning up, yeah. This one could also be simplified. We could just remove all here, but it doesn't make a difference. Yeah. It will be deleted anyway. Yeah, that's fine. I think so. Unless I'm missing something here. Destroy group. No, I think that's fine. Yeah. Okay, anything else? Anything else? What about this one? This one is taken care of. Yeah. Okay, I think this might be helping our cause. Yeah. Then let's press F7. And no, not here. Yeah, actually, let's compile here first. All right, let me verify that our edits look reasonable. No. Leak AI group. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, let me quit the game. Group list is empty. Exit that. Okay, so that is compiled. Let's compile this one. I hope that this fixes mismatch we're seeing, but maybe it's not. Maybe it's not it yet. I don't know. It could be that there's something else too. Let me once more go through all the crate groups. Yeah. Just to double check. Oh, there's a return here. Oops, okay, looks like we need to apply a bit more stuff here. We need to do this. This. And this. Yeah. Yeah. And there's more of this. Ah, shit. Okay. There's more to do. It's never easy. No, no, no. Huh. Oh boy, and there's more. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, wow. How much? I hope I catch all of these. Oh boy. Well. There's another one here. Oh boy. And another one here. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, that is a real cluster F. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh boy. Oh, that's unbelievable. That is just outrageous. Oh. Oh boy. Okay, I hope these were all. Let's look once more. There's another. Look at that. Easy to miss this. Yeah. Okay, I hope I catched all now. It's easy to miss. Yeah. Okay, let's look at script engine if there's also some early returns. No, does not look like so. Looks fine here. Yeah. Okay. Anything else? No return here. And none here. Okay. This one could be good enough. Yeah. Save all. Let's compile again. Oh boy. Okay. Good, then let's launch it and let's hope that this works well now without mismatching. So basically we want to have AI groups leak now, the same as they leaked originally. Yeah. So that the CSC is the same. Yeah. Load replay. Let's go. Oof. Yeah. Okay. That looks promising. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, this looks very, very promising. Yeah. Ah, mismatch. Ah, Jesus Christ. But it advanced a bit further than it did before, I think. Maybe you're still missing something. Ah, fuck. Oh, that is really hard. Oh man. What are we missing? Group. Create group. Create group. actually removed. If group actually removed. Group. If actually removed. I also see a potential leak maybe here. Let me see. No. If this is not null, then this is always true, and so it will always go down here, which makes this code path totally irrelevant. This check here. Yeah. Group. So. Create group. Clean up the group. Clean up the group. Oh man. Another approach would be that we say, it's also bad. Peak. Oh man. AI group list is expected empty. Yeah. We also need to keep this then here. Let's search for this. I mean, it won't make a difference here. But we should have this if retail compatible CSC and if yeah. the group. Oh boy. Oh boy. Shit. No. I don't know what the leftover issue now is. Oh man, it's so complicated. Man. There's still something we are missing here, man. That's not nice. No. AIGroup. Man, where is this? Oh man. This issue is a nightmare. Absolute nightmare. Absolutely horrendous bullshit. There must be one more thing that is leaking. One more thing. Aha, here we have one more. Ah, no, it's not. Never mind. Never mind. Here we have one more. Look at that. Here as well. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. See? I'm not paying attention. I need water. Okay. It certainly helps to look at these things a million times, right? Yeah. Return. Here's another one. Boy, this code is really delicate. Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay, so we fixed a few more places in the scripts. Then let me look at dispatch once more. Dispatch. So there's a lot of destroy groups. Yeah, this is all good. Then there's this here. So only if it is empty, then it destroys. If it is empty, it destroys. That means there's no chance that this could leak, right? Because if it is not empty, then it's owned by the objects in the group, right? Then it doesn't leak. Yeah. So I think here we don't need to do anything. Yeah. 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 Maybe. Why is this here gone? Hmm. Destroy. Remove. Oh, okay. That's already empty. Yeah, then we only need to null it. It should be correct. Okay, let's test it again then. I don't know. I have the suspicion it will still mismatch because there will still be something wrong. It's pretty bad. Yeah. I mean, the last resort is that we do it in a different way where we don't touch the original much and we just but that's that would be tough. Shit. We would need a yeah, there would be a way. Yeah. There would be a way. We would have to make a AI. We would have to make a ref count class for the AI group that is not really ref counting. Yeah. 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 Well. Okay, let's check that. Oh man. No. It's a great place for building a Patriot. The best place. Oh boy. The leg is extra crispy. And mismatch. Yeah. Shit. Phew. How about How about we still add our diagnostic at the end, and we see how many leaks we have at the end. The number. Yeah. Yeah. Let me take that. Let's put this here. We'll do tests. Tests. Okay. Let's try that again. Let's get through the replay and see how many leaks we have at the end then. So basically we need to have 73 leaks. If we have less than that, then it means we still release it somewhere incorrectly, right? So there needs to be more places that leak it, basically. Yeah. Okay. Okay. 73. Loads. Load replay. Okay. Let's go. We'll be right back. All right. So we have a mismatch, so we just skip ahead. Yeah. So I don't think that the game will go out of sync. I think it's just a matter of there are some existing AI groups and that count as mismatching, and so the CSC is mismatching. But logically, everything functions the same. Yeah. It's just the count of leaking AI groups. It's different. It's so painful. So we expect 73 leaked AI groups. If it is less than that, it means we missed something. Yeah, missed something. What if it is 73? Then it's something else that is mismatching. Something else. It's 59. Okay, that is different. So we still don't leak everything. Oh. Okay. So we missed something. The question is what? Oh, man. Let's keep on looking. We're missing something. Boy, this is really hard. This is really hard, yeah. Oh boy. Okay, what could it be? Let's see. So this one looks safe. 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 This one. Safe. Here we create a group. Okay, let's think about the remove beacon one more time. So we create the group here. If a selected object is empty, then we destroy the group. If it is empty, we don't call remove all, no. Don't call remove all. It looks fine. This looks fine to me. I wonder if there is something wrong here. Maybe I just don't see it. Yeah, maybe. Man. Something I'm missing. It's probably just one more place. One little tiny place. Ah, man. Let's go once more through all these guys. Yeah. Maybe we just missed something simple here. What are we missing? What are we missing? What are we missing? What are we missing? Something. We are missing something. We are so close. I feel like we are very, very close here. But we just don't see it. So far, it looks all good to me. Return. Looks fine. We are not leaking somewhere where we should. Where's that? Where are we not leaking? Where are we not leaking? Move on. Leave group. Supposed to leak somewhere. Leak. Leak memory. Where? What about this here? Ah, that's commented, okay. Let's go to AI player. AI player. That looks pretty safe. Looks pretty safe. Oh, man. Ah. What about this one? AI states. AI states. It's also fine. It's fine. It's totally fine. Leave group. Create add ref. Group. Create add ref. Yeah. I'm surprised by this here though. This. How is this correct? Huh? Is this correct? Create add ref. Pick. Increments the reference counter of the pass object. Enter group. Okay. Why? I'm confused. Why do we call create add ref here? What is this? Enter group. Who's calling this? Add this. Okay. I'm still confused by this here. Why is this add ref? Ah, because yeah. Right. Okay, I think it's correct, yeah. Yeah. Man, what is the problem? Oh, I just realized I had myself still muted. So I was saying there was still one more. I fixed just that. There. Okay, let's try that. Oh man, this is oh, right. This is hard. Yeah. Oof. Leak. Okay. So load replay. Okay. So I hope that it doesn't mismatch now. But who knows? Let's see. Oh boy. Big rush here. Big lag as well. Massive rush. Look at that. Okay, now it's attacking and it should mismatch soon. Unless it's fixed. Oh, mismatch. Oh my gosh. Oh, what is the problem? Oh my gosh. Is there still something? Hold on. So we looked at this one. What about this one? Oh, there's also a return here. Look at that. Let's look at these guys as well. No, this maybe it's fine. Let me look at that. Select object. Group. Let me make this bigger. No, this is no. There's no return in between here, so that looks fine. Perfectly fine. Is there any return here? No. No. Oh, man. How many are left now? Let me see. Man. AIGroup. Skipped actions. Yeah, we fixed all of these. AIGroup. There must be some more leaks here. Some more leaks. Empty destroy group. Empty destroy group. If empty. I don't know what it is. There's one more leak somewhere and we don't see where it is. I don't know. It's somewhere extra sneaky. Oh man. Is that maybe a code pass that sets this to null? Let me see. Here. Is empty. Null. What about this here? How many do we have? Still 59. Nothing has changed. Oh man, what is it? Logic dispatch. Maybe there's something wrong here. If there are any units, the player. So this one will. This one is different, right? This one will leak, right? No. No, this will not leak. Oh man, what is the problem? Oh man. Maybe what we can do to figure out where the error is, we partly revert all the changes. Yeah, we could, yeah. Yeah, maybe that's a good idea. Yeah. Yeah. I think the strategy here is that we Okay, how about we merge these guys? Yeah. I think that's a good idea. Yeah, I have an idea. So, leak a bunch of AI groups to retain retail compatibility, retail CSC compatibility, incomplete. Let me commit that. Then we stash this. Yeah. Then we create a new branch of this one. Call it fix AIGroup 3. And then here we revert. We take all these guys. Ah, shit. Yeah. So we go down here. Ah, shit. There we go. And then we do revert. Ah, no. That's not the right way. Here. We go down here and we do here. Reset current branch to here. There we go. And we say mixed. There we go. There we go. And now we have all these changes here in our staging. Yeah. And then I would say first we remove all the generals. We don't care. We don't care. Good. Okay. Then I would say one by one we just revert files. So I would say we start with script actions because that has the most potential for screwing things up. So I think we start here. How do we do that? Let's say first we make a commit. AI group changes. Let's call it all AI group changes. There we go. Commit. Okay. Okay, we have that, and then we revert this commit. And then we start reverting so we would check like if it's so we revert, we don't well, we cannot revert this one. We can't revert any shit. that's not right. Let me commit this. Yeah. The revert. And then we revert this again. Yeah. Okay, and now, yeah, okay, and now we just remove script actions. There we go. Yeah, I think that's fair. But create group returns a shit. Create group returns a. We cannot do that. We cannot test this way. Shit. That's a pity. That's a pity. We can probably still do it. We just say reset script actions. Let's go to script actions. And so what we need to do in here is call release, right? Yeah. I think. Maybe not. Is it correct? Oh, I think that's wrong. Yeah, no, that won't work. No. 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 I don't know where to go from here. Oh, man. I don't know. I don't know which one it is. Create group. Oh my gosh. I don't know which one. Create group. AIGroup FMT. Something I'm missing. Something stupid I'm missing. I don't know how to find it out. I don't know how to find it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It must be here somewhere. We looked at this now 10 times already. I don't think it's there. It's somewhere else. Some stupid mistake. you know. Yeah. I think I'll take a break here. I don't have an idea right now, which is very upsetting. Yeah, okay. Maybe I have an idea next session. Yeah. All right. Then have a good day or night until next time. Goodbye.